well, you wake up and this happens. So we left off not taking this trade, and then we bounced around, and then there was this trade, and then there was this one, and then I pulled a fib here to here. As soon as London Open happens, you drop down to the 6-6, you double bottom this, and then you shoot up. And so let's say that I did get in on one of these trades. Let's see. Let's say I got in on this trade and I have my 1% stop loss. Would I have got stopped out? Nope. Damn. Oh well. Oh well. Nothing you can really do about it. Nothing you can really do about it. Okay, so this is an idea that I have. So I have an order of 100 waiting here. I have another order of 100 waiting here. Because it also is going to line up with this. So you take these lows, support resistance flip on this thing, but I don't really think that's going to matter. And then I have an order for 200 down here where it's like support resistance flip. And I think that that's probably, yeah, so we have the 618 right here. So yeah, we'll see. I think as of right now, things could be bearish because we're breaking this trend line on the 3. On the 5, we're touching it. We have some major divergence going on, so the move could be over. So yeah, I got to figure out where to get in on a short as well. Oh yeah, and here is the here's the volume. I mean, that's pretty insane. Since yesterday, the 23rd. Boom. We hit this. And then just, holy Jesus. But now, the thing is, like, shorts are starting to open up now. And this is more than they've opened up since 10 last night. And, so that's what's interesting. Because even over here, like, people weren't really interested. Nobody was interested. Nobody's interested. Because we went from negative 35 to here. That's like, you know, more than 10 million. That's almost 15 million. Here, that's nowhere close. You went from 0 to 10. There you go from. So. Oh, man. But longs are flatlining here. Let's see what. The longs closing out. Shorts also closing out. So, yeah. Okay, got front ran on my idea. I think that means that I have to move my order down to here. I'm gonna put it here in case we swing failure really softly. I wonder if I should just do like 100, 100, 100, 100. But yeah. Oh, wow. Swing failure is so small. Now I have to look to where to get into a short, actually. I need to be doing. Because I have no idea where to do that at. I'd say maybe somewhere around here. The reason why I'm choosing here is because you have this support resistance flip area. So here maybe. Let's check. 30-second, we have no divergences. Yeah, I would expect it to at least come down here to finally set in some divergences to possibly push back up. All right, we are in it to win it right now. So what it's looking like. I'm gonna take profit pretty soon. Gotta put my stop loss. Don't know what the stop loss is. 8. We'll take the profit here. I'm just gonna take the full profit. Yep. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. If I ended up getting in here, which is the original idea, the reason why I didn't think this would work out is because this support resistance flip already had the chance to play out. And so, I wonder if I should, take more than this. And then get myself into a short. Anyways, yeah, I don't know. I gotta think about some stuff. But we're out. I'm thinking that I should got into a short here. Let's see. Because you had the support resistance flip back test right here. But maybe that's not the case. Maybe from here we hit the CC, and then now we're just going to keep going up. But I don't know. So I think maybe I should just do this. Like, I'll move my mouse if this is something new. So one of the things that, well, I mean, if we just switch over to this, we're already up 0.5%. So maybe I should have been aiming for, well, maybe I should have been aiming for this at 200 and then this at 200 for support resistance flip areas. And maybe I should have seen that there was going to be some major divergences, because I was thinking that we would come down, come back up here, then come down, set a divergence, and then come up and come down, set a divergence, or something like that. But here is where I originally had my short orders, and I was scared to keep them there because of the flatlining going on right here. And flatlining going on here. So we have flatlining here, so I mean, I don't know. I don't know. So after giving it some thought, I realized that this is the time to short. Because if we even look at this, like touch, 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 boom, to the fucking dollar right here, then we put in a divergence, right? So as we are breaking this upwards trend line, this is telling you we're probably going to come down from here. So you come up, you set in your divergence, you come down, you come up, set in your divergence, you come up, set in your divergence, and then now we're breaking. Not only do we break this trend line, but we're now breaking this trend line. And so I really should have just left my orders there. And so now I'm also kind of wondering, you know, is this going to be a support resistance flip? So support resistance flip right here. Boom, do we get into a long here? I think we have to. Maybe. Trying right now, but oh, I'm in for 100. And yeah, so I think what I'm going to do is just leave it at 100. I don't really believe in this. And place my stops there. Let's see. 100. Confirm. Let's put it here. And let's get stopped out real quick. 5-1. I need to have this over here. So let's take a look at this. Uh, 0.25, there you go. And then this is, I don't know, let's just put it there and see what happens. See what happens. Let us see what happens. Do we go up from here? Maybe we do, because now I'm also looking at this. Possible trend line action going on here. Look at this. You know, possible trend line, possible channel actually. Look at it. I still think we're going down though. Or you could look at it like this. I think I like something like that a little bit more. I think I like this a little bit more. Yeah, I mean, you have multiple trend lines here. Let's just do it like this. Here, like this. There's that one. I think we do have this one right here. That, so maybe we are converging. So after looking at this, I think before we were here, then as we add more time to it, this becomes the point of control. This was pretty, and this was a high volume node to begin with, even when we were like this. So you had these high volume nodes, even right here. So we bounced off that. So that was, I mean, this was where I originally had my short. And then I decided to get into a long. I'm about to get stopped out. So the original short idea, yeah, the original short idea. Wait, what the fuck was I thinking about this? I was trying to use this as a support? No, this is a resistance right now. This is support flipped into resistance. We had no support coming through it twice. What the fuck? What? Anyways, let's try to find something else. Well, it seems like end up getting stopped out. Get stopped out. Swing failure this by like nothing. Then come back up. Let's see what that means here. I wouldn't have thought that we would just swing failure by nothing. Let's take a look at the volume, if there's any indication. Yeah, I mean that. I guess when you're in an uptrend, you gotta leave it like that. That's pretty crazy. Let's see. We're about to back test that shit. Is this gonna be another opportunity to get into a short? I don't know, because right now the volume is we're just going straight up now. And here we're going up. Shorts are closing out. So maybe that was it. I mean, this area is a support and resistance flip area. I wonder if there's anything here. Look at this. We could say that is a thing. I wonder about this. Here's the thing. Let's see. I don't think this is a thing anymore. I don't think it ever was a thing. Huh. Hmm. So, I guess also one of the things that we have to look at is here we had this, we had no divergences. Then we came back up, coming back down. We have, I knew we had to have put in some divergences, unless we were going to come all the way down here, something like that, which maybe not, but yeah, that is a thing. Here we are hitting this weekly, basically to the dollar. And we do have some slight divergences again. So part of me is like, do I get into a long? Do I get into a short? I think I should be placing long orders here and here for the support and resistance flip, because this one was already used up. This one got a front ran, so this little section is the next one for a long. This little section is the next one for a long. Here for shorts, yeah, I don't know. And this is the volume. I don't really know what to think. Just gotta put my orders. 19 to 35. All right, so we have a situation here. My original entry was 19,163. I really thought that we were gonna come down, and so that's why I got out really early. Now we're up more than 1%, but that was only, yeah, that was 400. So I mean, I guess that'd be $4 right now. So yeah, don't really know what to say. What do you say? What do you say? I mean, we'll probably go up from here. I mean, we're in an uptrend. This was a support resistance flip area right here. Boom, get in. Then you go up. So yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's also this support resistance flip area right here. Resistance, support. I mean, resistance flipped into support again, and then you take off from there. And I tried to get in on that trade, but I got a little bit too scared. Because I was really thinking that we were going to go down, like, you know? We had the divergences happening, and then they went away. But oh yeah, too, and I was convinced because we broke this trend line. And then we broke this trend line was holding us up though. So the 3 and then the 5. So the 3-minute trend line was this. The 5-minute trend line was this. From here up. Break it here. Come down, back test. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But I think that this maybe shows a more clear picture of what's going on. Oh wait, what? Oh, from here to here to here. But I think we could also look at that from this point of view. I wonder if it's like the more recent trend lines are the better. Because we could say it like this. Touch. Let's see where this touches at. Touch again. You go up. And that, I would think, would be this. I don't know, but anyways. Motherfucker! Even Daniel had this CCV setup. Boom, go. Oh, I always have the same ideas as him. What the fuck, Bahrain? And then now he has a weekly on Coinbase that just got hit right here. So yeah, I mean, we have this. We have got some massive divergences going on. So price, oh god, here we go again. price is doing the exact opposite of RSI, and usually that means you're gonna dump from there. And we also had this trend line hit here. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, do we backtest this? I think we already did. So the next area of backtest would be this area, the weekly. So I think we put it here and then here, maybe. All right. So Trader R just posted a harmonic from here to here, 885 CC, and then so obviously you'd want to reach for the expansions. 1.236, and then here, let's see. Nothing. He has the negative 0.272, and then he also has a negative 3414. I don't know where you get that shit from. But yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I ended up getting into a trade here. It was 400. It was 200 here for a support resistance flip, and 200 here for a support resistance flip. And then I just took profit here on this possible support resistance flip, and then I took profit here at 0.25. And so now I got the stop loss moved up. And so now I don't know if we're going to keep going up. I mean, Trader R says that he thinks that we are done, like this is the top. But I mean, I don't know. So we're in it. And I also have orders waiting down here because this is a perfect, support resistance. I mean, CC, you come down and take some of these lows, boom. So actually, now that in hindsight, think about it, you have this trend line that's been going on. And then you also have the weekly, and you have the support resistance area. So does this mean that we're going to keep going up? I don't know, but this time I'm leaving the, I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Maybe we could come back, test this as support resistance flip area, and then continue to shoot up, but I'm not sure. All right, just got stopped. Let's see. Finally, when you get stopped out, you don't lose any fucking money. 19,308. 0.5. Wow. Another situation where it's by 0.5%. I mean, oh, well, whatever. We have lower highs. Yeah, I don't know. It's only 7:54. Holy shit. Whatever. Next trade. Oh yeah, well, I completely forgot to check Exo charts. And so we have the value area low of the value area high of the London session sitting here, 19,170. We have the New York TPO point of control, 19,200. And we also have this support resistance. So I would say maybe since we have this like 19 19,205. 19,145. 19,145. 19,1. Holy shit, that's low. I think a part of me wants to do this. This CC is 170, 170 and 200. Damn. I mean, if we fall, do we fall that much? I don't know. That doesn't seem right. So we bet 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. I don't think we could fall that far. I mean, that's huge. If we're even going to fall, I mean. Holy Jesus. I think I might be able to get away with something a little bit less than that. Let's see. .7%. $1,400. But I mean, we getting stopped out onto the dollar like always. You hear me? Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I should have just left it alone, because if we look at the volume, once we are starting to get around here, shorts were not opening. Shorts were not opening. I mean, they were opening a little bit on BitMEX, and they flatlined. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But the main thing is this area. I gotta figure out. I gotta figure out what I want to do here, because I do like 280, 280, 280, 280, 280. It's 200. I just don't know, man. Like, I just don't see us coming all the way down here. And yeah, this trend line is still working out. I'd say maybe we get possibly like one more push up or something. Because again, we're dealing with the situation where, at least here, but on the 5-minute, we're just... Yeah, I'd say one more push up, and then we have to dump from there. So I'm gonna put some orders. I gotta figure out where to put some orders. So we basically swing failed by like a couple of cents, couple dollars. Now we're coming back down. So yeah, got stopped out by 50 cents. Come up from the original point. What is that? 9.6 right here. Somewhere around here, whatever. 70 cents. So far, Jesus Christ. So from the original entry, we're up there. I mean, I don't know if I would have taken profits here, I would have got stopped out. But yeah, I don't know. Just keep taking more trades. That's all I can say. All right, so we are officially coming down. I got filled. Now I need to set my take profit. That would be where are my things? Where are my things? Where are my things? There it is. Oh god. Oh god. Oh man, I'm already at 800. Let's buy some more then. Let's buy some more Bitcoin. Let's do this. Oh, this is a bad idea, actually. Probably. Holy shit, this actually really is a bad idea. Oh no. Look at that. Oh no 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 no. We're gonna cancel these two. Put this here. Oh, holy shit. I didn't even realize that. Short started opening up. Well, short started opening up here. So short started opening up here. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. And this is all we did here is we just swing failured by like nothing. And then we're coming back down. Oh Jesus. Holy Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Please save me, Lord. Baby Jesus. You are the best baby Jesus out of all the baby Jesuses. Jesus, help me, Jesus. Please bounce off this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no no. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Yeah, okay, let's do this. We got the 1%. Let's do this. Let's just put it here. Position. God damn it. Oh god damn it. Oh boy, if I would have seen that, I would have never done that shit. Oh man. This, if I saw this happening, I wasn't paying attention. And then, boom. Then here we also had this happening, so yeah. Yeah. And then I should have, like I said, I should have shorted up here. Oh, if I would have seen that shit. Oh, man, I should have. Fuck, I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention at all. I think we came down to, yeah, value area low. Well, I mean, I was originally saying in a couple minutes ago that, you know, this was the area. I was thinking that was going to be too low, but you know, let's actually look at something here. Let's change this to 0.0 points. Let's do this. Wow. Wowza. So let's put that there. Put this here. Move it over. Wowza, wowza, wowza. I didn't think it was, I mean, I thought it was going to be that big. I thought it could be that big, but I guess I was supposed to take profit here at this, but that's too small. Let's just keep this. God damn it. I know I should have just fucking trusted this. I thought it was gonna be too low. But how many times have we like double, triple bottom this bullshit here? Value area low, value area low. Boom, come in, hit that. What is this sitting at? 170. So then if we, what is this? If we take this, yeah, I was even saying like, put it like this. Anyways, I think I have to take some profit here. Do I? Nope, I gotta take it at 0.5%. 5. 250. Yeah, this is a good support resistance flip area. And then here, maybe we could move the stop loss up to 0.5%. I really don't want to take any profit at all. I really don't. Well, I don't know if I want to get greedy or not. Do I get greedy? I think I have to do this, because if we come down to here, that's a whole other, it's a whole other thing. I got fucked on this trade because I wasn't paying attention. I need to have my alerts set. Really need to have my alerts set. So if we break below this, then the next area that we could be possibly looking at would be the London TPO, which is 18,970. 18,970. Let's see if we can find anything there. Well, we just so happen to have the CC, so we said 18,965 is the London TPO point of control. 18,965. 18,965, so somewhere around here. And then if we look at this, 18,980, 18,965 around here. So yeah, I would say this would be the next area. And if we are looking at this situation, 18,990, Yeah, there's just no way. Because if we take this low, then I don't know, we could come all the way down to here, but I think I have to do this. Oh boy! Oh, damn it! I need to go walk max and just step away for a minute. I need to set some alerts and just step away. Okay, so this really isn't looking that good. If we look at volume, we had all these buy orders come in, and yeah, I would have just stuck more to this idea and had a better entry. You know, if I had something down here, then obviously, you know, but here it looks like we're just getting stopped at the support resistance level, and the order book is looking mad bearish. Oh fuck. If I would have gotten something here, like I had originally thought. I mean, obviously there was a lot of conflict here, and I should have known that that guy that was streaming has like millions of dollars. You know, it could possibly be pretty big. And also the fact that we only came up this much, it's not, I mean, that's barely anything compared to this, and this came down that much. And so maybe I should have recognized the fact that we came up that much, you know. So anyways, I'm going to take 250 here, and yeah. Take 250 here, and then move my stop to like, I don't know, man. I guess right here. That's like $6 risk or something. Because here, I don't, yeah, if we had this big of a drop here, I would assume that this drop is going to be where we're coming down here. So I don't want this to like almost double bottom or something like that. So we just took the profit. And I guess now we wait. I guess maybe I'll take 500 at here, maybe at the 1%. Yeah. Figure that out. I think I have to get out at market right now because I mean, my entry was just really bad. Almost 0.5% away. And the fact that, again, we swing failured this slightly, only came up by that much. I mean, if we pump from here, then, you know, it is what it is. God damn, I lost some money on that. It is what it is. But the fact that I was 0.5% away from the bottom is, you know, whatever. But knowing me, as soon as so the reasons were we barely swing failured this, barely swing failured that. We came down, came back up. And yeah, another thing too is if we look at this, we're, oh my god, we're not seeing any more big buy orders, and we fell off a cliff. Shorts making higher highs and higher lows, longs are making lower highs now and lower lows. Well, no. High, low, high. And same thing, shorts opening up on BitMEX, so. Oh boy, it doesn't look like. It looks like the next area would be somewhere around here, so I'm gonna have to set my alerts and then. Oh wait. Somewhere, the next area would have to be somewhere around here, so I'm gonna have to set my alerts. Because that's where I think the next possibility for a long area is gonna be here. And we have the TPO 960. 960. What am I doing? Oh yeah, let's take a look and see what that is. $1.47. Let's do it. We did it. We are officially absolutely fantastic. $1.47. That's what I'm always making. Daniel is live streaming. Ah. Are we going to be forming this? Oh, wow. We got rejected off the point of... I didn't even think about doing this. So we have... Oh, yeah, look. This could be the neckline right here. Because this is a support and resistance level. So we come... Boop. Boop. Boom. And so if we crash down, that gives us a target of... Oops. I don't want to do that. If we do this to here, this is the neckline. Oh! 886 play, you say? That makes sense to me. Let's see if this is the high. Oh, 786, 618, 886. If that's the high, and then you just take stops, take tops, take. Oh, and we had this wedge. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, there's just so many reasons to short here. This was, in hindsight, should have been a long scalp, but let's do this too. Let's see what happens if you do this. It's not gonna work. I keep doing that backwards. So 1.618. I mean, we could do something like, oh, Jesus Christ. We could do something like this, where we come down, come up, come down, then push up. But this area is definitely a possibility for a bounce. Let's see. But, oh, wait a minute. Should I short this? I'm trying to short because this is supposed to be the support and resistance flip area. And then another one here. Put one like right here, because that looks like it could be the CC. Come on, man. Get me in, man. Don't do this to me, man. Don't do this to me, man. Oh no. Oh no 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 don't do this to me. Look at that. Look at that. Oh well. Set alerts.
I put another 100 grand on it.
And then right now he's talking about
200 grand short.
oh
man. I really would have. I have my entry on my other accounts literally at the very high. So the problem is.
Alright, so I'd be looking to get into a long around here. Oh wow, that's 19,000 as well. Psychological. Yeah, so I'd probably put orders like 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, if that's the case, in my I mean, I'm also thinking like I'd have to put one here, one here, one here, and one here. Maybe even one right here. I don't know, what would that give me? Below each one of these lows. So we had one here in the middle, then one here in the middle, and one here in the middle, one here in the middle, and then one right below. I would say that this one has to be the last one right here. And if I had a 1% stop loss, that would put me right here. Because we have the, if this is the top, and we do this, this is the 1.618, the expansion from here to here, or whatever it is. I know the expansion from here to here is the 1.618. The extension is 1.236, and you have the CC, and you have the point of control, and you have 1900. So, I don't know, do you do this? So that way then you have this set up. I mean, it's, but I mean, if you're just, I don't know, I need to take a break. Thank God I got out of that long, but son of a bitch. Man, I missed this, so. Here to here. CC mixed with the point of control of this range, I would say. Oh no, wait, what? What the fuck? Somebody, what? How did they do this? Oh, they included all this extra crap over here. I think it might even be the value area low anyways. Yeah, value area low. Come up, value area low. Support resistance flip area right here. CC. Boom. Hit it, come down. Here, it's the point of control of the whole range. Come down. We down by 0.5%. Yeah, I don't know whether I should. I'm still trying to figure this out. Because I think that you could get a bounce from here. So if I did 200, 200, 200. 200. Because it's kind of like I want. I don't know. And I'm just gonna. This is kind of what I'm thinking here. You come down, touch that, come back up, hit the weekly, blah 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 blah. Then you come back down here, and you touch the point of control of the London session, and then now we're popping back up. So yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Volume looking like this. Shorts closing out, longs opening at the same time. God damn. I think Daniel just got stopped out, maybe. Hmm. Anyway. Alright, so what I have done is these are my 5 orders. And this is where my stop loss is. The problem is that the head and shoulders, I mean, if we fall, you know, the end of the stops would be somewhere around here, which would set you up for a really sexy here to here to here 1.618 786 886 play. And you get, if this is the head and shoulders pattern, which is this is the neckline, you have the head, whatever, shoulder, head, shoulder, boom, you come down to here. And so it's like, but also too, you have 19,000 for the CC, 1.618 for the fib extension, and then the 1.236 for this right here. So I don't know, just this whole area right here. But I'm also thinking, like, I mean, we could come down here, then come back up. I mean, I don't know, dude. I don't know. But that's what I'm waiting on right now. Also, one of the things is that if we look at the 30 minutes, we do see that the yellow EMA, the orange EMA on the 1 hour is lining up with this daily VWAP. 30 minute, the yellow is kind of lining up with that, and the 15 minute, the white one is kind of lining up with that. I wonder if we have any pivots down there. What the fuck happened to my pivots? What? Is this it? I don't know. Let's see. 31 hours. I don't know. Something happened to the pivots. But a part of me is saying this area down here. I have more of a stronger feeling of this area because, again, of the head and shoulders, the Uh, what is it? Support resistance flip area right here. And then also too, just mainly like taking out all of this, everything. Because to me, it just seems like this is just a cascade all the way down till you get to here. And then you have this whole area right here. So a part of me is thinking more in terms of this. So I mean, maybe I do like 2 different trades, like this one, and then if that doesn't work out, then I do this one. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like you should at least get a bounce from here. But why wouldn't you come down here to touch the view app? Because if you're coming down, the view app is going to start to bend this way, and then it'll probably sit around here. I mean, there's no more stops to grab unless you go down here, and then if you go down here, like, you know, bye-bye. I'll see you later. So, or you could touch the weekly view app, but I don't know. But it's like, I feel more here, but it's more of like a 70-40 type of a deal, and here it's like 50-50, but I don't know. I would say you get a reaction here in this area, but you get the bigger reaction here, and so maybe I need to, but the problem is I don't know if we're just gonna just landslide down, you know, like just stops, and then you come down to here. So I think I want to say I kind of have, well, I guess I could do it like this on 2 accounts. One, I could trade it like the way I have it here, which is like this. What is that? 18917. Oh shit. 18917. 18917 right here. And then the top one is 19033. There. So let's move this like that. And so I put that at 1%. And then I make another one of these. Why can't this fucking clone thing ever work? And then I put another trade like right here where I just put another $10 right here. And that way, because I don't want to risk $20 on this trade right here. So I think I'm gonna have to do that. Because I mean, if this has a 1% stop loss and we come down to here, then yeah, you know, I should be okay. And then if this one is going to have, let's say this is the middle, if this one's gonna have like a like this, so then I'd say I could do like 1,500. I think I could. Let's see, 1,500. Yeah, so I could do about 1,500. So divided by 5. So I could just do 300 for each one of them. And so I did 1,500.5. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so this is what I've decided to do. I put a buy order waiting here, and then I put one here, 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 and here. I'm gonna have my stop loss down here to give us some room to swing failure this and bounce off the weekly VWAP. So I don't know, man. Like I said, I'm feeling this more than I am feeling this. So if that's the case, like, why don't I just do this? And if I give myself a 1%er, put me right there. Oh, man. We're just going to stick with this because, again, yeah, we could just come down. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, we could just come down and get filled on some of these and then come back up and then come back down and get filled on some of these and come back up. So we're just going to play it like that. One of the things that I'm just now noticing is that there's this trend line on the 5-minute from here to here to here. This is why I knew I should have fucking shorted this up here. But now we're breaking this trend line. We actually perfectly back tested this and now we're headed up. So what does that mean? And we're breaking it on the 5-minute. I mean the 3-minute. We've been supported basically by this. Are we looking at this? Yeah, I think we're gonna probably go up from here because this is the 50. We're bouncing off the 50. Wait a minute, what? Yeah, look at that. Oh, there's no divergences actually. Yeah, we're probably gonna bounce up from here. I don't know where was my original entry at. Let's see, close P&L 9228. Nine two two eight. 9228 right here. So if my stop was 1%, even if it was all the way down here still, I could still be in it. Trying to play it up, but I'm not sure where to. Maybe it would be you come up here 886 786. Point of control looking like it's the 886. Yep. I think I need to have some short orders there. Think I need to have some short orders there. I'm only gonna put like 600 and give myself a 1% stop loss. I'll do like 300, 300, 300, 1% stop loss. Where would that leave me? Where would that leave me? Let's do this. 1%. Holy shit. That's huge. That is massive. 1% stop loss from there. If I did 50, if I did 0.75, that's pretty big. Yeah, let's do that. And there you have it. You have this with a 0.75% stop loss. And you have one here, here, and here. Wait, what? My entry would be somewhere around here. So let's move this. Yeah, whatever, who cares? Yeah, so let's see what happens when I get back. Oh, actually, I had my stops like right below these lows. So we'll see what happens. So, while I was at the beach, we came down here. We came up. I think I got out somewhere. I got out somewhere at market around here. We came back down. I canceled all the rest of these. Thank God. Because we had such a reaction. If we come back down, like, there's no way. We're probably going to come for this area. So now we're closing below 1900. We're now closing below 1900. And, I mean, we still haven't even hit an extreme on the 5. I'd say this is out. These two trend lines, we could say this. So we could say that we're going to come down to here, or we could say this trend line. So we could come down to here, which could be this. One of the things that I messed up on is that I thought the VWAP, I think the VWAP always tries to just go to the price. It doesn't like adjust down unless price is below the VWAP. And so I don't know what the volume is looking like because I just got back. Oh fuck. So we broke this, and that's all we really fell. I'm really trying to look at this volume. Let's see. Shorts opening, longs. Yeah, this is probably not the best idea. I think I should probably cancel the other orders. If I give myself 1%. I mean, we took these. We're closing below VWAP. Let's see, on the 1 minute. Holy shit. Boom. Boom. we're probably going to be able to erase this divergence here. So we would just have, I think I want to keep it here. Because we have the 786, 618, 886. Maybe I want to change it to this. Probably not. I canceled all the other orders on the other account. Because I'm also looking at this, and it's like, okay, so we have this area, 18,660, value area high, point of control, value area low of these two right here. So point of control of this section. So we would say that 18,590 to 18,660, 18,590, 18,660. That's also the previous week value area high, previous day value area high, and that could possibly 18,600, 650, 660 to 600. 660 to 600. Yeah, so we have the CC right here. We have the point of control of this whole entire shit. If we didn't include this section over here, then it'd still say it's right here. 18,600 is the level. And so if we came down, I would expect us to go there. So I would place 1, 2, 3 orders. Ooh, on the 15, that could possibly be really, really nice to so I would say what did I say? 660. So start at 660. Work our way down to this area. Yeah, I can't really see us falling below this. If I did that, think I could do that. Yeah, I gotta hurry up and do that. Okay, so this is what I ended up doing. Putting an order here, 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 and here. The reason is the 88660. I wanted this last one to be the 618, which is also the point of control, then have one here. And so have the middle, if we do come all the way down like this, you know, the midpoint will be here, and then we have the 1% stop loss right there. So yeah. Is that gonna happen anytime soon? I don't know. It looks like it wants to, but oh well, yeah, we have the previous day value areas and stuff like that around here. I don't know. Part of me doesn't really think that we're gonna come past 18,600. That would be pretty insane to drop from here all the way to here, but maybe everybody's gonna get bearish. Who knows? So if I wouldn't have been scrambling, I would have been able to see that we have the 1, 2, 3 double divergence going on here. Should have just longed the shit out of this VWAP right here. We're probably going to come up from there. And then on top of that, we do have this action happening down here at the bottom. You had longs closing out to here. Well, let's take a look. I would think that... anyways. Well, let's put it on 3, just to mimic what we're seeing on here. So we have longs closing out, opening up, longs closing out, but you're making a higher high, then longs closing out, I mean higher low, and then so here. And then if we're looking at the shorts, it's like shorts open, they're closing, they're coming down more. And we could say the same thing for BitMEX probably. Not really, actually. Well, yeah, we can, because here when you get to the lows, you are still printing like that. Shorts are opening, but yeah. I mean, I don't know how much we're going to go up, but I mean, people are obviously interested in doing some big buys right now. So that, and I'm pretty sure, what do we have here? I don't think we really have anything there. Let's see. Do we have any ting? We just literally have the VWAP in the 786. I think that that's probably confluence enough if you were to pull the fib from here to here. I think you have 786 VWAP. Yep, 786 VWAP. Take these lows. I would have thought that we would have came down a lot more than this. So that's why I had my orders down here. I wonder if what it was the 1.618. What was the fib expansion? Expansion. Nope. Let's see, here to here. 1.232. So in hindsight, oh man, and this is the 382 as well. You have the 1.232, 786, VWAP, 382. Yeah, I mean in hindsight, yeah. But I was out, so whatever. So these are all the trades from today. I got into this one while I was at the beach, and then luckily I set it up to where I got out 200. And then I marked it out at 200 up here. Luckily, I did that when I did because obviously we came back down. But yeah, that one I made $3 on. That's pretty cool. And right now, this is what the volume is looking like. Pretty insane. We bounce off the VWAP, double divergence on the 3. Boom, and you take off. I mean, you have regular divergence on the 5. Again, I can't believe all we did was... Oh, shit. Double divergence on the 3. Shoot up. And VWAP. 786. I'm just still very surprised that in this section right here, that's all we did was take this little section. So that means to me all the stops are right here. So yeah. Okay, so we are with the updates. Yeah. I mean, I think we left off here. It was 1. I think I got back around here, then god damn, what happened to time? What the fuck did I do? I don't know. But clearly this was the top. Oh Jesus Christ, we started trading over here? My god. I mean, all the way till 11 o'clock was here, so I mean, I'd have to wait all the way until 12 o'clock in order for there to be a market structure change. Then we came down to the VWAP, barely took these lows. I thought we were going to at least come down to here. I guess when in doubt, VWAP. And I thought 1900 was going to be it. But yeah. Anyways, did a little bit better today at least. $6 for the day. I mean, it's better than any day I've had so far.